We carry the bass. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of raisins. Put it in the pot, put it in the oven. Each a piece, mama say me crave. One Sunday morning, bright and early. Curry on my back, don't feed me donkey. Eat dry grass and bang in belly. Give me water, get well thirsty. Ride me a ride, now kick some gully. Fuck up on a tree with a dozen hockey. Keep me a drink and a up. So me go in there dance. Boy, you want clash. Get you one brush or your face one wash.
We believe in each other. Ale, we're going to ask you first. Tell us some of the problems that the young people are facing in Jamaica.
One of the first problems that Jamaica are facing right now is crime. Crime as in killing, raping, etc. Some persons that are doing the killings are our families, uncles, cousins.
The problem that we're facing is too many indisciplined children in the school. As in like, we in class, students idling, don't want to do their work, students carrying on the corridors, the other students fighting other students. All the man of evil you can think of this.
You hear what a man...
The issues that the young people are facing in Jamaica is mostly in politics. If we vote for JLP or PNP, the country will run better, but as far as I've seen, more war will come together. Because
for us as Jamaicans to reduce crime and violence, we, the believers that are with Christ, must come together and stop criticizing each other. Come together and pray for our country, because the government can't help us. Only God can do this. So for us to go further, God have to do something to Jamaica.
How many of you don't grow with your father? How many of you don't know your father? How many of your father won't less like? I want you to list all the things the youth them and Charlie Smith fight over. Why?
Gambling for one.
Which one?
Gambling for one. Gambling. Gambling.
Yeah.
The girls them fight over man. True. Right now we have a merge between Trenchtown and Charlie Smith. And Trenchtown come over here, and if them look on somebody, hey, me thump in your face, you know. Straight.
Question, are you happy with the merger of Trenchtown coming to...
When the Minister of Education was making the decision, they always will think about us and how this merger will affect us, because basically this merger that has happened is a big negative change it's making. War every single day over gambling. All over gamblers supposed to can pass match with flying colours. Because at 20 they want to fight for 20 and 50 we don't make no sense.
I really think to just lower the fighting in the school, we need JDF. For the knife stop coming, parents need to check them child bag, and at the gate we need a
spot check?
A spot check and a metal detector.
So you think the JDF needs to be in these schools and when it merged?
Right.
Do you all talk to your guidance counselor, Mr. Blackford? Tell me though, do young men visit their guidance counselors, and why or why not?
Miss, basically, the said question, miss. Them feel like they can't deal with it themselves. Just with them a man, not them say.
And is that good or bad for young men? Is that really working?
To me, it's not good enough. Cause if woman can go to the guidance counselor, what about man? All of we are human beings.
Miss, you can participate in a lot of activities, go out more and smile, be happy, play, and just talk to somebody about your problems.
What she said? Talk to who? Somebody. Yeah, man. That sounds like a song. What number should we call if we see somebody committing a violent crime against anybody?
119.
119. What number should we call if somebody sees a violent crime? Hold on. I got it, baby. I work with them. What number should we call?
311.
Hold on. 311, is he right? That's Crime Stop. You get a bag. Yes, the youths are thinking. Clap him, clap him. All right, so let me ask you. If you see an older woman sexually abusing a young boy, who should you call? Who should they call?
First, you must inform an adult, then the adult will inform the police, then the police will inform the CDA, and from the CDA to the court, and then go straight to jail, and then they give me a bag.
Hold on. Him say one, two of them. He gets a national bag. Hold up for me, darling. You get a national bag courtesy of our #1 sponsor, National Bakery. 5 years to talk of you. Clap them. And you get our newest investor for in Talk of You, Wata. Hold up your 2 bag. Put up your big smile. Yes, man. Are the dancehall artists empowering you or not? Okay, let me ask you. Most of the artists that you just called here, are they influencing you positively or negatively?
Negatively.
All right, you said negative. Let's go through the panel. Talk up, man. Why?
Why negatively? Because it is negative to the children, because some of them are listening to it and them come school, a year class time, free session, first song them start singing, send it up in their school out there. And when the teacher in the class, they see them start doing, and them sit down in them class, them not even make them read over them book.
Music and entertainment. All right. If I don't want to do something, I'm not going to do it. Right? I don't know who can pressure me to do something and I do it. Not even my mother, much less my father. Yes, I'm not gonna lie, I listen to the song them, of course. But if I don't want to do what the song them say, why make me go do it? If you come school for say, all right, you get free time, you go and study a book, at school you come, don't it? You don't come for do it, you hear the song say, the people them sing them song, them have them educated already. What about you? What about you?
The type of music, it have a major impact on enough of these young youth's life. Because the type of music what they want to listen, they want to take it in particular in action. But the type of music I listen is like to encourage me to do certain things. Like I am an education and everything, miss. So I don't know why some of the students them make the things that get to them head. Either them for those positive, go on the positive route and listen to some cultural songs more than I listen to some bad influence songs, miss. So
you want to build a coop? You tell me how to build a coop, where you're going to build it, and how much is it going to cost you?
All right. I build the coop, a country, at my uncle place. I don't really know how much it cost, but I want nail, I want screw, I want a padlock, I want a bulb, and I want a couple of the feeding thing them, and mesh. Yeah. And zinc, and board. I'm bored. Yeah, I want some money for buy the chick them car.
We're going to give you, let me count out my money. We're going to give you $5,000 from Talk Up Youth to invest. You have a bank account? You have a bank account? You don't know the number? We're going to take your name and number and call you. And then what we're going to do is put $5,000 as an investment towards your wealth. So when your friend said chicken back expensive, she not have to pay them big tax.
My chicken them know, miss.
Talk to your friends.
My chicken them know, miss, are fat. Fat as it and canteen. Canteen, I forgot on a tongue go buy a deer chicken and Them just come link with me and make them get some 20 chicken miss for a cheaper price, miss. And
You say you're good at football. So what do you need to take your football career to the next level? Is that what you want to do? Be a professional footballer?
Yes, miss.
So what are the plans? What do you have to do?
I work twice as hard every time I go training, miss. I work hard. And my sister the thing are further, you see. Sister that pay, but it not really pay affect me, miss, you see. But I'm kind of proud of myself when I reach and know, miss, you see. Because me was the youngest youth did I play on the under 20 national team last year, World Cup qualify. Right. Yeah, me a part of the team, my son. Then I'm 17. Nobody under 17 at the team. You see, miss, but I play Premier League for Boys Town. And I get best junior player in the country. Miss, I'm going to go on a trial 2 weeks back in a Philadelphia Union. So, I did a train with the first team to play MLS. I'm a train with them academic. So, then play a pre-season match with the Yout team. Miss, I'm score Achikazine. So, miss. Miss, I'm in love of my cliques. You know what I call cliques?
No.
Boots.
Oh, I got it now.
Miss.
Yeah.
Miss, I'm in love of my cliques. Miss,
Yeah.
So, there's a one cliques me that want and a Shen girl still.
So how much for a one click?
Alright, I'm telling you, miss, my buy boots already still, miss.
How much
You see,
it?
but, alright, about Western sports now, it's gonna be like, I'm not pressure it. Me make you give me even half fight. Like, about Western sports, 13,000 odd for the boots them.
No,
Retail,
that
miss.
rough. You think him deserve a new boots? You think him going to make Charlie Smith proud? Is this a new future star? And when he's rich and famous and playing for Arsenal, let me ask you, when you are rich and famous, are you going to come back and give back to your community?
Miss, I want to pay one at the least, man. I want to pay this.
All right, here what we're going to do. Talk up, you don't have any more money. So, may I go give you from my personal account 3,000.
That's not bad, man.
And then, hold on, then may I go give you another 4,000 from Talk Up Youth. So you have 7,000 now towards your boots.
Miss, me appreciate it, you know, miss.
No problem. We appreciate you.
Think about it. 10 years ago, right? There was no such job as a vlogger. And I'm a vlogger today. 10 years ago, no such job as a vlogger. I say that to say, believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, because you never know where your belief can take you. I stand here today as a representative of CranWata and as a representative of the No Dirty Up Jamaican movement. Who know about No Dirty Up Jamaica? Right, I'm a brand ambassador for that movement, and I'm also a brand ambassador for CranWata, water with wow. One of my greatest achievements was when I got to conceptualize, develop, and produce the CranWata ad.